Hello and welcome back to our channel where we speak all about futures and technical analysis. And actually, today we will be trading Tesla, and I will be watching also Nvidia. I just want to see how it will be for me to watch two charts. Obviously, I can watch a lot more, but into the retest or break from the high or low of pre-market, I want to be alert more to the instrument, but I might have a idea of how to do it differently. So let's dive in and see how we can do that together. So let me show first my screen, and of course I will be sharing with you my journaling, my process of everything. So more or less, it's very simple, really stupidly simple, almost to say that you have to go in, you mark only the high and the low and the high of the pre-market, so you can see from pre-market that this is the high here, so we don't need to even go post-market, and the low it's basically right here again, no need to even look at the post-market. Okay, so we want to see how it's either breaks above, because maybe today we will have a rally day. Okay, let's see. um, you see it's at the 50% here, where last time got rejected and supported, I should say, and got a rally. And yesterday we had a fairly heavy sell-off day, and we're in, so to speak, of a consolidation area like we had here. So maybe today we'll move up again. We cannot know until we don't see the formation of what's happening. And as we actually can see that on the RSI, it was well played out in this area, that every time would go up, come to this area, would go up, come to this area, right? So today we want to make sure that we are watching for potential rally. Okay, so what do we mean by that? Let's see. First thing, uh, let me go by 30 minutes. Okay, so we have that and that, but then uh, this one I can delete. Okay, this is a 5 minute zone from yesterday. I can extend, because if we will pass from the line here from 218, our first target should be 225, 221. Okay, so that's very important. Um, Let me see. Okay, so we can see also we're on the down of the channel line. Okay, so it's important to remember that and see what will happen once it will get out of this area. Okay, because maybe we want to see a break and a retest, but aggressive break, aggressive like this one. Then I will continue to hold. If it doesn't happen, I will exit somewhere in this area. I mean, I will want to hold it to this area, but most likely to this area. Just a couple of points. We'll have very tight risk to reward. Okay, so that's for that. Now let's go quickly to Nvidia. Nvidia, the reason I want Nvidia, because we had a very heavy sell-off day, which honestly we had a heavy sell-off day for everything pretty much yesterday. Like a lot of instruments went down yesterday, very heavy. Okay, so you can see Tesla went down yesterday 30 points, which is more than 12%. AMD went down yesterday also 6%. Amazon, let me see, Amazon, Apple, and Amazon right here went down almost 3% each. Tesla had the biggest because of earnings. Now let me see. Um, I also probably need to watch like oil and stuff. like on futures. I should watch more futures because futures I can trade during the day, and here I have my up and down, like low day and higher day type of trades. By the way, let's see what happened with ES. So it went 0% since yesterday. Um, well, back here, right? So it is 0%. Let's see. Consolidating. So I want to believe that we have a rally back up to this area, but let's see. Okay, let's quickly mark our areas here. Similar, very, very similar to basically what we have seen on what you call this Tesla. However, what you can see here, the post market have a high too, right? So it's $3 and it's a whole number. So ideally, I would love to see a drop here and a rally there. So that's what I would like to see. Okay, that's ideally. Now, what I will do from here, I will mark that as red. Okay, red-ish, and this I will mark red. This will stay green. And what we have to do right now, we have to put here 3 alerts because most likely we will not be here. I will put the number, uh, check longs. Okay, check longs. It's okay. Check shorts. Relax. Hold on, I have to move my coffee so I don't spill it. Okay. Oh shit. Hold on, what did I do here? Check if short or long. Check if short or long. Overall, I should check everybody, but yeah, short. Okay. It's disposed my paper. Okay, so very good. We're ready for the market to open. We're ready for the market to open. Let me see what happened here overnight. So it's broke this level and fair to say that it's held. Okay, it's fair to say that it's held. But if it's falling from this level and it's continue, we're gonna have a great move. Now, let me just see something. I had yesterday an idea here. I had yesterday an idea of basically saying, hey, you know what? Let's say on 30 minutes or an hour or whatever the candle that we want to watch. And let's say there is a hard move like this that we believe that it's already in a directional, right? So I want to do minimum $100 risk to reward. So let's say I enter here, and that's my stop loss, and that's already 2 to 1 more than 2.5 to 1 risk to reward. So I can enter, right, and then hold it. Right, let me see. This is it. 2 to 1 risk to reward. I can enter like that, and basically I can have right here a calculation of how much I enter because I have basically even actually, you know what? I can give it $14, and this is ES. So $14, we have about $75 risk, right? About $75 risk. Let me see, I can tell you exactly. So basically, it's $80 risk. Okay, so five times four, 20, 5 times 10, it's a 50. Boom, you have the right there for you the number 70. What the heck? I said, let me see. Yeah, 70. I said 80, 70. I said 75, 80. Now I'm saying 70. Okay, so we have $70 risk. So we can have one here and one here. This would be so funny if we are timing it the absolute right way to enter right here and right here. Also have our stop loss. Boom. Okay. So we have that. So more or less we would risk, let's say an example, whatever. Um, Yesterday was a very, very red day. Which account are we looking at? Oh, it's the time frame I'm looking at. Okay, got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Okay, so you see how one time you lose a lot of money per your trade. That's it. You're fucking toast. You basically have a long time to recover and bring your risk to reward average up. You have to follow it as a system. Okay, that's so crucial. Okay, let me just see something.
Dylan O'Neill said U.S. equities saw broad-based selling Wednesday with the large-cap indices down for a fifth day in six. But this day was a bit different from the others, with the SPX seeing its worst session since DEC 22 and the Nasdaq since OCT 22 following yesterday's disappointing earnings from Alphabet and Tesla. The SPX also broke its streak of days without falling -2%, the longest since 2007. As you can clearly read/see, yesterday's move was abnormal. A move of that size only happens a handful of times each decade. Looking at it in hindsight, my 5,628 short on ES was nearly flawless. I talked about why I entered it in yesterday's video. It was a high probability short signal. Did I ever think it would result in a 180-point decline in just 2 days? Hell no. Going forward, VX will be the key ingredient of whether or not this drop continues in the market. So far today, it is down. Watch the 16.20 to 16.00 on pullbacks in VX. Bears want to see that previous resistance hold on retests. As long as VX stays above the 16 area, I'd expect to see rallies in ES fail. ES is oversold across different time frames, so this period of digestion since yesterday's close is no surprise. If it rallies from here, the key area to watch is 5,510, previous support from late June. Bull's main objective is to recapture that and sustain. On the flip side, I'd imagine that bears will try to defend there.
Okay, so we have 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, that's why it's important to start the session much earlier to have enough time to actually put your journal stuff together. Okay, but I will see right now. Give me a moment. I will just write like this. Let me see what's happening with Tesla. So let me see that. You know what I will do? I will do like this. No, I always make the mistake and I click on full screen and then I pay the price. So Tesla here and Nvidia here. How phenomenal. No, this here, extended trading business hours, no problem. And this we want minute by minute too. Okay, and we have the phone quickly. Sometimes you forget where you put the phone. Okay, so let's go to interactive brokers. Okay, and as I will take my trade, I will journal as well. Okay, I'm not very good with multitasking right away, but I can do some stuff. So, Nvidia, let me prepare. I have Tesla here, stocks, okay, which honestly I'm about to start learning my options as well. Okay, so Tesla is up. Then I need Nvidia. Okay, I need that. Nvidia, whatever they called. Okay, Nvidia. So let's see what's happening now. We have both of them open, like not open completely, but marked as a watch list, so I can just click on it and right away see which one I want to trade. Okay, let me just zoom in a bit here. And we know that it's a 210 that we are watching, 210 and 218. Wow, that's $7 drop right there. So 20 seconds to open of the market. We are about to see a victory. But you know what? Even if not, we know that our risk to reward is about $100. So with that being said, 5 seconds. I just want to make sure that I'm watching the open. That's why I'm starting to that. 5 seconds passed and we are gone. So Tesla is moving down. Nvidia start to move up. Nvidia start to move up. Tesla for now, no, but over 700. Tesla is going to the retest of 218. Let me go to that stock. Okay, and we want to prepare sell at 218.13. 218.13, just to see what happens there. And okay, it's holding. And we want to put stop loss as well, 219. So it says that. So for now, we are waiting. Why? Because if we put a stop loss, it will be above here. Okay, but first we will need at least that 1 minute candle close. Okay, ideally we want to close under. So you see, right now it's might retested. So we want to change to longs just to see what happens. 218.13. Okay, 0.13. But the stop loss here will be very, very big. So we wait. We don't enter. Okay, let's see stop loss. Stop loss, if we do, it will be 216.23. Again, you see it's breaking. So that's it. We know. What I'm doing, I want to make sure that I have it prepared. So in the event that I see it going, I can right away enter. However, we are not going to enter something like that, especially not in the first 2 minutes. Okay, let's see what's happening. We have 2 seconds to go. Okay, it's going to channel. And right now, if it will be a retest, we want our stop loss right here. So basically 217.17. So that will be for us basically allowing to enter with 100 shares. Right now, we need to see a retest and a rally. Nvidia is going down. So now with those two candles, we see that there is more buyers, obviously, but also look at the wick. Okay, at the wick. We wanted to come back and retest the 218. Nvidia going down. So let's see. I'm going to close for a moment our what you call and go to Nvidia. Nvidia stock. It's at 111 buy at 111.52. 52, and let's see where we put our stop loss. Opa, look, Tesla also coming, motherfucker, to retest. Bitch. So hold on. You see that now I missed that opportunity to re-enter with Tesla too. That's why I need okay right there. Nvidia also touch it, and I exit Nvidia right now. Okay, let me go to Tesla. Buy Tesla. Okay, so buy long. Hold on with Nvidia. What to do? Buy long. Okay. Okay, going to Nvidia. Buy long. At I can only do 3 trades for now. I'm about to deposit a bit more. Tesla was better entry. I didn't enter 2 times. 2 times. Fuck. Pissing me off a bit, but it's okay. So Nvidia, I can also enter if it retests that bottom. So let's see. Nvidia, we want 150, 111.52. Okay, we want to have a stop loss outside of regular trading hours. If anything, we can put a stop loss right here. Stop loss. Quickly. Okay, we can go with 100. $29. We can go with 100 shares, yes. You want, let me see. We have how much money risking here. So we basically have 26. Let's put stop loss at 27. So we are risking that much. So we can enter. Okay. I just swiped at the sell at 52. So right here, I want to sell at 52. Okay, it filled us in right there. And you want to tell me you're rallying? Okay, let's see. Because what we saw, we have a stop loss, so maximum we lose it's about $78, something like that. Let me see how much exactly. It's $70, $72. But we have a stop loss, which is no big deal. But I'm trying to understand. Wait a moment. With Nvidia, okay, you see, if it breaks above here, that's why I put my stop loss there and not here. Give it a bit more cushion, and see what happens. It's almost I want to enter with a bit more because to bring my average entry higher, and at the same time I still can because of that. However, what it might do right now, it might retest this low and go higher. So we wait. We wait with what we got there. Yeah, you see what I will do, maybe. Okay, I might, if it's not showing me powerful break, I might just close it. Yes, I'm closing it because I don't see a massive movement. It might go to my direction, but I decided to close it because I don't like the action. So basically, negative on that trade. I have no clue what just happened. Phenomenal. You see, that's why you have to listen to your analysis. So let me make sure that I have no more position there. So basically, I minimized my loss. I saw that it's going to go up. So instead of me holding it true, I said, okay, let me quickly close it. I closed it. And instead of losing like $80, $70, I lost $40. So I'm okay with that. Now we'll see. Here, I'm pissed off that I didn't fucking enter here, but it's okay. Do I want to enter for a rally? Oh shit, don't forget. I can only do one a day. Like I can do two, but more important, I can do one a day for now. If I do one more trade, that's it for the week. Until I don't deposit my additional $20,000 that I withdrew yesterday from my other account to be able to deposit. Okay, so let me go back to Tesla. Look at this one. This one is like deciding to piss me off every time. You know what happened? I have some of those shares, and right here it's been rejecting every time. Okay, let's go back to Tesla, motherfuckers. I'm so happy I closed it and listened to myself. It basically was right by my entry point and I sold it. Instead of saying, no, 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 hold it. And potentially fucking myself over on that. Okay, so what I will do, I also have to go to do some workouts. So I will go ahead. I will create right now a new link for that. New meeting. Boom. Go to workout. So give me a moment. Let me see. I have to do today 100 pull-ups. Okay. Jump. What? Did you guys see that? We just had a fucking massive drop right there, not understanding what the heck just happened. Wow. That was like momentarily. Wow. 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 That was crazy. That was crazy. And this is fucking very unfortunate. Very unfortunate that I didn't enter there. I was literally already fucking having this. Don't worry, we WAP. I'm so pissed off about that when I say that, but okay. We WAP, cancel this.